Sailing often evokes a romantic image of wind and waves, but offshore travel demands a rigorous focus on modern safety protocols. While the wind powers your journey, it is your electronic suite that acts as the silent guardian against unpredictable maritime hazards. When fog closes in or a reef appears without warning, wind alone cannot save you. You need reliable electronic systems. The electronics aboard a modern sailboat are not mere accessories. They are the essential systems that prevent dangerous collisions. These devices detect hazards beneath the hull and transmit your exact position to rescue authorities anywhere on the open ocean. Today, we open the panel on every one of these critical systems to understand how they keep you safe offshore. The VHF marine radio is the most important safety device on any sailboat, serving as your primary lifeline for communication. VHF stands for Very High Frequency, and it is the standard for short-range maritime communication across the entire globe. Channel 16, at 156.8 MHz, is the international distress and hailing frequency that every vessel must monitor at all times. A fixed-mount VHF transmits at 25 watts with a range of 20 nautical miles, far exceeding the power of handhelds. In a true emergency, those extra 15 nautical miles of range determine whether a rescue crew ever hears your call. Did you know that every fixed-mount VHF is required by law to transmit a digital selective calling distress alert? With one press of a single red button, the radio automatically broadcasts your vessel name and your unique MMSI number. This signal also includes your exact GPS position, sending it directly to all rescue authorities within your immediate radio range. This is why your fixed VHF must be connected to a GPS source and registered with an MMSI before you leave. Registration is free at organizations like Boat US or SeaTow, and you should complete it before your very first departure. If you are finding this guide useful, give this video a thumbs up right now and subscribe to the channel. The chart plotter acts as the navigation center of a modern sailboat, displaying your position on a digital nautical chart. It receives signals from GPS satellites, calculates your exact position to within 3 meters, and plots it in real time. Modern chart plotters lock on to 12 or more satellites simultaneously, ensuring maximum precision and redundancy for your offshore navigation needs. The chart displays depth contours, channel markers, navigational hazards, and anchorages in one unified, easy-to-read, and interactive digital view. Did you ever think about the fact that a chart plotter shows your position but cannot show what has recently changed? An unmarked shoal, a new wreck, or a relocated buoy will not appear on the screen even with perfect GPS. You must update your electronic charts before every offshore passage without exception to ensure your data remains current and accurate. AIS stands for Automatic Identification System, a technology that has revolutionized how we track and avoid other vessels at sea. Every commercial ship over 300 gross tons is required by international law to broadcast an AIS signal continuously at all times. This signal includes the vessel name, position, course, speed, and cargo type, allowing you to see them on your screen. A Class B AIS transponder aboard your sailboat both receives incoming ship signals and transmits your own data to others. When a commercial vessel receives your signal, your sailboat appears on their bridge display by name, course, and speed. A 900 foot container ship at 18 knots covers 1 nautical mile every 3 minutes and 20 seconds, closing distance very quickly. AIS provides the advance warning that gives both vessels time to act before that geometry becomes a dangerous collision event. The depth sounder measures the distance from your hull to the bottom directly beneath the boat using high-frequency sonar pulses. A transducer emits a pulse and measures how long the echo takes to return, calculating the depth with extreme precision. The speed of sound in salt water is approximately 4,800 feet per second, making these depth calculations nearly instantaneous for you. Guess what the most common cause of an unexpected grounding actually is? It is not a storm or a chart error. It is a depth sounder working perfectly that no one aboard is watching, leading to a failure in situational awareness. Always set a shallow water alarm before entering any unfamiliar anchorage or channel to prevent accidental contact with the bottom. The alarm sounds before the keel touches the bottom, giving you time to stop or reverse course before damage occurs. The autopilot steers the sailboat automatically to a compass heading or a GPS waypoint, reducing fatigue on long passages. It receives a continuous heading reference from a fluxgate compass mounted below decks, away from any harmful magnetic interference. A hydraulic drive arm connects to the steering quadrant and turns the rudder with small, precise corrections 20 times per second. On a 600-mile offshore passage, the autopilot makes hundreds of thousands of these corrections without any fatigue or human distraction. This allows the crew to navigate, prepare meals, and rest in rotation rather than standing at the helm for days. However, the autopilot is not a replacement for a watchkeeper. Someone must always be on deck monitoring for unexpected hazards. The EPIRB is the last line of communication when every other system aboard has failed during a catastrophic vessel emergency. EPIRB stands for Emergency Position Indicating Radio Beacon, a device designed to save lives when all else has gone wrong. A Category I EPIRB activates automatically when it contacts water, floating free of the sinking vessel to deploy its antenna. It transmits on 406 MHz to the International Cospus SARSAT Rescue Satellite Network, which relays your position to a coordination center. From the moment an EPIRB activates, rescue authorities receive your exact GPS position within 5 minutes of the initial signal. The signal continues transmitting for a minimum of 48 hours on the internal battery, even after the vessel has sunk. A PLB, or Personal Locator Beacon, is the individual version worn on your life jacket for man-overboard emergency situations. If you go overboard, the PLB transmits your personal position as a completely separate signal from the main vessel beacon. Register both your EPIRB and PLB with NOAA at their official website before you ever leave the dock for departure. Registration is free and connects your beacon to your vessel name, owner record, and emergency contacts for the rescue team. These 5 systems, VHF, chart plotter, AIS, depth sounder, and EPIRB, transform a sailboat from a beautiful vessel into a truly safe one. Each one gives the crew more information and more time to make the right decision while out on the water. Understanding them requires no offshore experience and no captain's license, just a willingness to learn how these tools actually function. It requires exactly what you are doing right now, taking the time to study the systems that protect your vessel. Thank you for sailing through this technical overview with how things work, simply as we explored these essential marine electronics. Fair winds, clear screens, and safe passages to you on every voyage you take across the vast and open ocean. Moving beyond basic navigation, we now turn to the advanced electronic systems that provide critical situational awareness for every offshore sailor. These tools do more than just show you where you are. They act as your eyes, ears, and final safety net on the water. First, we look at the AIS transponder, a true game-changer that allows your sailboat to actively see and be seen by commercial traffic. By continuously broadcasting your position, course, and speed, the AIS system makes your small vessel visible on the bridge of massive ships. It turns the vast, unpredictable ocean into a managed traffic environment, giving you the data needed to avoid potential collisions long before they occur. Next, we consider the depth sounder, a tool whose value lies not just in reading numbers, but in the active monitoring of your surroundings. The sounder uses sonar pulses to measure the distance to the seafloor, providing an essential layer of safety when entering shallow or uncharted waters. Setting shallow water alarms is a vital habit, providing an early warning system that helps you prevent accidental groundings in shifting coastal environments. Even with a perfect chart, the depth sounder is your only real-time verification of the water beneath your hull at any given moment. We also rely on the autopilot, which is far more than a simple convenience. It is a critical safety tool for long-distance passages. By handling the steering, the autopilot significantly reduces crew fatigue, which is often the primary cause of human error during long offshore journeys. It maintains precise headings without human intervention, ensuring the boat stays on course even when the crew is exhausted or distracted by tasks. This allows the crew to navigate, prepare meals, and rest in rotation, keeping everyone sharp and ready to handle any unexpected situation. However, the autopilot is not a replacement for a watchkeeper, as someone must always remain on deck to monitor for hazards and traffic. Finally, we must address the ultimate safety nets, the EPIRB and the PLB, which are designed to activate when all other systems fail. These devices are your last line of defense, built to operate independently even if the vessel loses power or begins to take on water. An EPIRB connects directly to the global COSPA SARSAT Rescue Satellite Network, ensuring your distress signal reaches authorities anywhere on the planet. From the moment of activation, these beacons transmit your exact GPS position, allowing rescue teams to pinpoint your location within minutes. The internal battery is designed to last for at least 48 hours, providing a continuous signal even if the vessel is already sunk. A PLB, or personal locator beacon, is the individual version worn on your life jacket, meant to save you if you go overboard. If you are separated from the boat, the PLB transmits your personal position as a completely separate signal, independent of the vessel's own systems. Remember that beacon registration is mandatory, as it provides rescuers with essential vessel details that can significantly speed up a life-saving mission. By registering your beacons with NOAA, you ensure that your identity and emergency contacts are linked to your signal the moment it is activated. When these 5 systems work in harmony, they transform a simple sailboat into a safe, informed, and resilient vessel prepared for any voyage. By integrating these electronics, you gain the confidence to handle emergencies and navigate the complexities of the sea with professional-grade situational awareness. Understanding these systems requires no offshore experience and no captain's license, just a willingness to learn how they protect you. Each one gives the crew more information and more time to make the right decision, which is the essence of good seamanship. As we have seen, the combination of VHF, chart plotter, AIS, depth sounder, and EPIRB creates a comprehensive safety ecosystem for every sailor. These tools are not just accessories. They are the essential components that allow you to explore the world with peace of mind. By mastering these electronics, you ensure that you are always prepared, whether you are crossing an ocean or just enjoying a weekend cruise. Technology on a sailboat is meant to support your intuition, providing the data you need to make informed choices in changing conditions. The goal of these systems is to provide clarity, removing the guesswork from navigation and allowing you to focus on the beauty of the sea. Always keep your software updated and your hardware maintained, as these systems are only as reliable as the care you provide them. Regular testing of your VHF, AIS, and depth sounder ensures that they will perform exactly as expected when you need them most. Think of these electronics as your digital crew, always working in the background to keep you safe and on the right path. The integration of GPS and digital charts has revolutionized how we navigate, making it easier than ever to track your progress. Yet, the human element remains the most important part of the equation, as you are the one who interprets the data. Always verify your electronic data against visual observations, because technology can fail, but your eyes and judgment are irreplaceable. Safety at sea is a continuous process of observation, analysis, and action, supported by the best tools modern science can provide. As you gain experience, you will find that these systems become second nature, allowing you to focus on the joy of sailing. The more you understand how these devices work, the more effectively you can use them to manage risks in any environment. Never underestimate the importance of a well-maintained VHF radio, as it remains the primary way to communicate with the outside world. Your chart plotter is the heart of your navigation station, centralizing all the information you need to make safe decisions. AIS adds a layer of safety that was once only available to large ships, now accessible to sailors of all levels. The depth sounder is your constant companion in coastal waters, keeping you away from the dangers that lie beneath the surface. The autopilot is your tireless partner on long passages, ensuring you stay on course even when you need to rest. And finally, the EPIRB and PLB are your ultimate insurance policy, ready to call for help when all other options are exhausted. These systems represent the pinnacle of marine safety technology, designed to protect you and your crew in the most challenging conditions. By investing time in learning these systems, you are investing in your own safety and the safety of everyone aboard your boat. The ocean is a vast and powerful place, but with the right tools and knowledge, you can navigate it with confidence and skill. Every piece of equipment we have discussed plays a specific role in keeping you safe, informed, and connected to the world. As you continue your journey as a sailor, remember that these electronics are there to empower you, not to replace your skills. Stay curious about how your boat works, and keep exploring the ways that science and technology can enhance your time on the water. The more you know, the safer you will be, and the more you will enjoy the freedom that comes with sailing. Thank you for joining us as we explored the essential electronics that every sailboat needs to navigate safely and effectively. We hope this guide has provided you with a clear understanding of how these systems work and why they are so vital. Remember to check your equipment before every departure, and always keep your safety gear in top working condition. If you found this information helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more deep dives into how things work. We are dedicated to bringing you clear, scientific, and practical explanations that help you become a more confident and capable sailor. Fair winds, clear screens, and safe passages to you on every voyage you undertake on the open sea.